So you can see Dollar Tree has these octagon mirrors, and they also have some wood pieces. And you can see they're from Crafter's Square. And you need to cut the Crafter's Square wooden pieces so that they will fit in the slots of the Dollar Tree frame. You're going to remove the mirror from one of the frames, and all I did was I marked out the size of the rectangle pieces that would fit into the picture frame, and I marked them with a pin, and you just cut them. And I just cut them with a little saw. I don't have one of those electric saws, so I just used just a regular saw. Next, you're going to hot glue, and then you can use a little thick saw all of the areas that you're going to glue together. And I just held them together with Dollar Tree has some nice little clamps. I clamped them. Of course, this is going to have to dry overnight. I also had to use an arrow sign to make a shelf, so I cut that so that it will fit. And then you're going to take the other mirror and you're going to place it on the back, and it should fit in those slots perfectly. And once you have determined that they will fit perfectly, then you might have to turn it because sometimes they're not always the same. Both mirrors are not going to be identical, so you have to see where you can fit it in perfectly. After you fit it in, you're going to glue it in place. Also, what I had to do, you're going to have some open spaces, so you want to fill in those spaces. So I had some spackle from Dollar Tree, so I used that, and I just filled in all the empty spaces. When it dried, then I gave it a little sanding. My goal is to try to encourage you to get out of your comfort zone and find projects you would like to do, and go for it.